Hello and welcome to the Semantic Environment Canvas. We'll be using this as one of our integration exercises. Again, we're using canvases because they're a really lovely way. You can draw pictures, you can use words, but they put them in a really clear framework so we don't get bogged down by too much text. And it also allows us to be able to kind of move things around and see things from different perspectives. So in this case, we're going to take a situation that you've been neglecting in your life, something that causes you some kind of stress or that brings up some of the difficult feelings from the needs and feelings list. Could be something like something that makes me angry or something that makes me frustrated. We're going to think about that as kind of our context. Then we're going to choose two actors. So in actor A, I want you to think of the conversation from the role of the jackal. And remembering that Marshall Rosenberg talked about the jackal in some of his previous videos, and the jackal is the one that has the language of criticism and demands. So in this case, we're probably going to use a lot of those words from the interpretations. We're not going to use our feelings well. There'll be a lot of blame and criticism. Then for character B, I want you to go through the same scenario, and I would like you to think about it from the giraffe. And the giraffe is really the language of the heart. You know, it's the language of NVC and one that's looking to make connection and to create connection. So as we go through the semantic environment, I want you to think of, what are the goals for both of these characters with regards to the conflict situation that you talked about. What are the words that they would use? How would they get their message across? What would they do to make that happen? So again, looking at this canvas, it's something that has been designed oftentimes for business conversations, but we're going to use it for our own purposes. And so adapting this to be the voice of the jackal and the voice of the giraffe. I hope that you enjoy it. Again, be gentle on yourself. You're doing great work. This is oh so hard. And I'd like you to think about, how when you look at these two different voices that you have the option to take, how has this course changed the voice of the giraffe in you? How has that expanded? How does that make you feel? Good job. And I will see you at the end of the course.